Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate Swan Lake's outfit before her transformation on Dress to Impress. Removing everything, you do need one VIP item and it's super simple to recreate. Grab this hair in blonde and grab this hair in the same color, position Y.53, Z.58. And then for the outfit itself, it's actually super simple. Grab this in the second toggle, color the first one white in matte, color the second one this color in matte as well, and then the rest in that same color in matte. Then you're going to grab these sleeves here and you're just going to color them in white. You can use other sleeves if you'd like to. Then you're going to go to the trendsetter dress and select no ruffles and color it this blue, B9DFF. And then you're going to grab the butterfly here and color that same blue, and that's it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!